All right.
Okay. All right. Okay, Bandit. That's for Bandit. That's for Bandit. Go on. That's for Bandit. This is for Dolly. Dolly understands 4 languages. Wait. Look at me. Uno, dos, tres. Tres. Good girl. Okay, Bandit. That's for Bandit. Good job, Bandit. Good job. Bandit's eating his dinner. Okay, Dolly. Dolly, sit and wait. Calm. Wait, Dolly. Wait. Look at Yaya. Anna, Leo, Tria. Good girl, Dolly. Bandit, the puppy's coming. Bandit, the puppy's coming. Good boy, Bandit. See, the thing is, Dolly eats too fast, so we needed to come up with a way to slow her eating down. Okay, Dolly, that was 2. Wait. Dolly, look at Yaya. Один, два, три. Good girl, Dolly. Good job, Bandit. We've learned that if we help Bandit slow down his eating, then he has better digestion. And in so doing, we have taught him. We have taught Dolly 4 languages. Hey, Dolly, look at Yaya. Look at Yaya. Look at Yaya. Wait. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. 1, 2, 3. That a girl. Nice and calm. What a nice slow eater. Good job. Good job. Look at Yaya. And that is the story of Dolly.